out to the dumpster you go. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan out here, and today we're going to be going about my hose reels. I have two of them and one of them crapped out on me. I'm going to showcase to you guys what it looks like, what that entails, and I'm going to replace it with a newer brand, or newer, more refreshed brand than the one I actually currently have. I'll show you guys what the issue is and what the winter did to it. And it's been 5 years with it, so I assume normally the time for them to crap out is around 4 or 5 years to be exact. But also I didn't do what was necessary to protect it against the elements. And this year we got quite a lot of snow, a lot of freezing weather in the winter time, so it actually froze on the inside and started leaking from the bottom, so pressure no longer comes up the top anymore. Water pressure, that is. So let me showcase that to you guys so you guys get to see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get to it. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, this is practically my V4 hose reel. As you guys know, everything still works on it mechanically. You know, I can still reel it back and all of that is all good and stuff. The one issue is when you turn on the water now, it doesn't work like it used to. It leaks at the bottom. 90% of the water leaks at the bottom because it froze during the winter month and it expanded, and once it pretty much came back to its original spot, there was a huge crack at the bottom of the wheel well that caused all of this to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, make it easier on myself, not even bother. I'm gonna replace this and throw this in the trash because it's actually wasting far more water than need be. See that? This is not good at all. And the replacement I'm gonna make, I'm not gonna go with V4 this time because I have a one with giraffe tools, and I'm gonna replace it with this Neotec one over here because one, this was less expensive pretty much than the V4, and I just didn't want to have the option of having the hose attached to it. This one actually has the hose completely attached to it, so I wanted to be able to, just like my giraffe tool one, get something affordable where if anything was to go bad with the hose, I don't have to throw away the whole unit, so to speak. So that's that in a nutshell. Let's get to work. Let's go to replacing that. Let's make it happen. All right, let's go. All right, guys, practically what I wanted to do is to buy another V4 just like this one, but the problem with it is, one, it's too expensive. Two, the hose is attached to it, so if this happens to freeze, this whole unit has to go, and it's no longer under warranty. It makes no sense to get a replacement, so I bought a new one just to replace that one. So that's that in a nutshell. Taking it out. Yep. And I'm screwing this. Alright, so one part of the problem solved, and the other part is to get my Neotec G40 installed there. I have to remove this also and put the new one on here. This is actually the hardware piece that supposedly holds this steady against the deck. So let's remove that as well, and I'm gonna need my trusty Craftsman tools, of course, Craftsman impact driver, to remove this. Let's see if I have everything I need to get this out of here. All right, let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I have my impact driver, but I do not have the proper heads to remove this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the proper heads to remove this, and then I'll be right back and to work.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm back. Let's go. Let's see which one is it. And it looks like it's this one here. One screws out. Two screw out. Three is out. And number 4 is out. Okay, perfect. So now that's also trash, unfortunately. Okay guys, I was able to put the hardware piece together. It's hard plastic hardware, of course, and obviously there's a stencil piece that you put together that actually gives you the drawing of this, and that's how you were able to drill the screws on it. My apologies for over drilling. You could see here, obviously the screw heads are much wider than the hole in some aspects. I guess that's what caused that. And that's actually in place. Now I'm ready to put this bad boy in, and as you could see, it's already screwed in the spigot. And I thought this was actually one of the ones like giraffe tools where you get to put your own extension hose on the side of it. Actually, this one extension hose comes with the unit, so it's a one unit type situation, similar to the Vivo, exactly like the Vivo, exact to say the least. But it still works. I'll just have to remember in the winter months to disconnect it to the spigot like I did years before, so this doesn't explode like my Vivo did. And obviously on top here is for customer support videos. You can scan that. You get quite a lot of customer support videos, instruction videos as well. And this one here, you can scan this QR code for 100 days warranty extension. Of course, not bad, definitely good. And you can move this right here up or down if you want to have some more leeway. You could move it further down the hose by simply unscrewing this one screw here, and it will open up. Actually, sorry, it's not one screw, it's two screws. There's one on each side. It will open up, and then you can actually move it where you want it to without any issues whatsoever. So let me go ahead and place that on top of the hardware so it can swivel. This actually swivels 180 all the way around, but because of the situation, because of how narrow it is out here, it won't be able to swivel all 180. I believe it's probably 150, 160 degrees, but I'm okay with that because I just use this for my backyard, so to speak, and my side yard, so that works for me in a nutshell. So let me actually put it together and showcase it to you guys. You basically lift it up like that, and you try to find the holes, and just like that, it's in. And that's all you do. And I was able to get this little accessories here This allows me to clip in whatever head extension I want to it. This didn't come with it. I have to buy that separately from the hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot. I'll make sure I put that link in the description below as well if you're looking for one. And that's pretty much how that works in a nutshell. You pretty much screw it to your hose reel, and this is my head unit right there. Sorry, I'm actually using my left hand. So this is my head unit right there on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and screw that in and show you guys how this works. Like I said, hit the subscribe button, and also this will be, the shopping link for this is on the video as well. If you're interested in getting you one, can't go wrong with it. I've had mine before the accident happened, winter accident happened, for 5 years. The Vivo lasted me 5 years. I'm going to see if this one can last me another 5-6 years as well without any issues whatsoever. So I'm going to turn on my spigot here, and just like that, it's already pushing out water. That's it in a nutshell. And if I want, I can shut it off. I can change different heads, obviously. Yeah, can change it, make it, of course, and of course the most known one, jet. So that's it in a nutshell in regards to that. And that's my hose. And it retracts. Just see. Just like that, it retracts as well. Well, this is the Neotec hose reel fully installed. 160 degrees this way, 160 degrees that way. Very, very cool. Can't go wrong with it. Showed you guys exactly how the head works. And I also have something from the Vivo still remaining, which is this little accessory piece. It's also a hose thingy. It's a sprayer, sorry, hose sprayer for sure. But it works, so I'm gonna keep that if I don't stop dropping it, of course. If you own one of those Neotec, I want to hear from you what you think of yours, how long you've had yours. Let me know in the comments below. And also don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Share also with your friends. Let me know exactly what you think of the product, Neotec product, if you own it. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Enjoy, guys. Peace. Goodbye. Goodbye, Vivo. You've served me well. Out to the dumpster you go.